Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on Gmail app Playback. Follow these simple steps to enable this feature on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping on the gear icon. Step 2. Look for the Apps option and tap on it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Step 3. Scroll through the list and find the Gmail app. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the app settings. Step 4. Now, look for the Appear on Top option and tap on it. This will allow the Gmail app to overlay on top of other apps while you're using them. Step 5. You may see a prompt asking for permission to allow the Gmail app to appear on top. Simply tap on Allow to grant this permission. That's it. You have successfully turned on Gmail app Playback on your Android device. Now you can easily access your emails and notifications without having to switch between apps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.